Hello, traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Before we start, thanks to all the Telegram members who subscribe my channel, where I share with you my knowledge and other strategies. If you did not subscribe to our Telegram channel, I hope you join now, so join, the link is below this video. In this video, I am going to be sharing an amazingly Tradingview, forex trading scalping strategy, that traders are used in almost all markets, and you can use this one scalping strategy to successfully achieve financial freedom through trading. I will present you one of the best quick and accurate strategies that doesn't require much experience to use. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. Let's start. Choose a 5-minute time frame, but let me tell you that this indicator is compatible with 1 minute, 5 minutes or any other time frame. Now let's start implementing our strategy by heading to the indicator box and the search field, type neural network and choose the first indicator. Well, this is the indicator that we were using it in today's strategy. If you focus here, you will notice the presence of this sign, which means that this indicator is integrated with a strategy as well. Well, after we applied the indicator, it looked like this to us, and the beauty of this form will be even in its performance. I don't think it will be difficult to deal with, as the places to buy and sell are very clear. But let's turn off some functions we don't need in this strategy as well. Let's make some adjustments to it. Open the indicator settings, then head to the style section. Let's review the indicator settings. First, uncheck EMA 200, now uncheck tables and trades on chart to reduce the confusion and to clarify the chart. Now go to the input section and change the value of EMA pressure importance of 2 to 7 and put OK to apply changes. Now, as you can see, the indicator has become much clearer. Here is the call and put trade entry point. As for these small triangles, they are also entry points, but they are weak. Sometimes we can rely on them, especially when they appear when the trend breaks through this twisting line, which is the HMA line. Well, let's see some examples of where to call and put quickly. As we said, triangles are considered weak entry and exit points if they are not accompanied by a breach with the HMA line. As for these signals, they are strong entry and exit points. These procedures are only to clarify the explanation, because the general view is not important and the important thing is the results. Well, after we understand some of the important basics of this indicator, let's move on to the strategy section and review some important things. Click on the little arrow here to open the strategy section. Make sure to click on Overview here. As you can see here, in this panel, there are several readings and numbers. I'm just sitting here, but what matters to us now is the profit, the number of deals, and the percentage of the number of successful deals. Here you see that the trade winning percentage is very low, and to increase this winning percentage, we have to make one more change in this indicator. We have selected the chart in candlestick pattern. So we will use it as Heikin-Ashi candlestick patterns. Let's do it and see whether the winning percentage changes or not. And here you can clearly see the difference. Earlier the winning percentage was 42 and now it has increased to 75%, so I suggest you to use this strategy with Heikin-Ashi candlestick patterns. Well, let's start with total closed trades and compare it with the percentage profitable to understand this point. Let's say you made 100 trades, simply the percentage. Here shows that you won 75 out of 100 trades, and this means that you lost 25 of these 100 trades, which is the remainder of 100 to 75. Now let's see how much is the winning ratio in the other time frame. Here in 1 minute time frame has given 72% winning ratio. Here in 3 minute time frame has given 73% winning ratio. Here in 15 minute time frame has given 72% winning ratio. Here in 30-minute timeframe, has given 72% winning ratio. 5-minute timeframe given highest 75% winning ratio, compared to other the timeframe. That's why I have recommended 5 minutes. Well, let's use our time machine to analysis the indicator signals. So guys, use this strategy and I'm sure that you will be able to earn more money than usual. But before this, you should know that all these ratios are only approximations, and the other thing that we did not talk about all the advantages and tasks of the indicator and strategy dashboard, and this is very important, because the percentage of profit and profit rate alone is not enough to calculate the strategy. Sometimes the percentage of the indicator may be less than 40, but the profit rate is very large, and sometimes the opposite. So if you liked the video and want the such more TradingView video, please let me know in the comments. So, see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.